Big questions still remain about 3I Atlas. Now, a lawmaker is pressing NASA for new images of the space phenomenon. And could it also have a traveling companion?
Get ready, because something really weird is happening in our solar system, and it could be the biggest update yet. In the vast, silent emptiness of space, scientists have been tracking our third ever interstellar visitor. It's called 3I Atlas, and in the last few weeks, it has started behaving in ways that have astronomers completely baffled. It's not a typical comet, it's not a typical asteroid. It's like nothing we've ever seen before. Recently, astronomers got new images of this mysterious object right after it passed the sun, and what they saw has shocked everyone. Most importantly, we're going to talk about new data that's forcing researchers to ask a big question. Is 3I Atlas really a natural comet, or could it be something else entirely? In today's video, we're going to break it all down. What these new images show, what new surface data has revealed, and why these findings have left scientists completely stunned. So, let's start from the beginning. On July 1st, 2025, a set of telescopes in Chile, part of the NASA-funded Atlas project, spotted an object moving with incredible speed. We're talking over 140,000 miles per hour. Its path wasn't a closed loop or orbit. It was a wide, open-ended arc called a hyperbolic trajectory. That could only mean one thing. This object wasn't from our solar system. It was just passing through. This was only the third time we've ever knowingly seen an object from another star system. First, we had the strange cigar-shaped Oumuamua in 2017. Then came 2I Borisov in 2019, which acted more like a standard comet. And now we have 3I Atlas, and it seems to be breaking all the rules. It's a chance to study pristine material forged in the crucible of another star. But from the moment it was spotted, it has given astronomers one puzzle after another. And here's where it gets even more interesting. The first huge puzzle is what isn't there. As 3I Atlas made its closest approach to the Sun around October 30th, 2025, every telescope expected to see a magnificent show. Like any normal comet, the intense solar heat should have vaporized its ices, creating a glowing cloud called a coma and a long, dramatic tail stretching for millions of miles. That's what comets do. But take a look at this. Recent images taken after its solar flyby show a compact, concentrated source of light, but there's no clear cometary tail visible at all. This is what left scientists absolutely stunned. For a comet to get that close to the Sun and not produce a huge bright tail challenges the very definition of what a comet is. Some observers did note a faint, rare anti-tail, which seems to point towards the Sun. But the grand, sweeping tail everyone expected was missing. It was behaving less like a dirty snowball and more like a solid rock. But if it was just a rock, that makes the next discovery even harder to explain. While it wasn't growing a tail, 3I Atlas was putting on a different kind of show. It was changing color. As it rounded the Sun, its brightness suddenly surged, breaking all predictions. Then reports came in that it had developed an eerie green glow. This green hue is a known cometary phenomenon, the beautiful signature of diatomic carbon reacting to the Sun's ultraviolet radiation. Then, other observations noted a distinct bluish glow, thought to be caused by ionized carbon monoxide. But here's the contradiction. How can an object be releasing enough gas like carbon and carbon monoxide to literally change its color, but not produce the massive visible tail that should come with it? It's like seeing clouds of colorful smoke, but the source of the fire is completely invisible. The chemical evidence points to an active comet, but the visual evidence points to an inert rock. It can't be both.
This is where the story moves from a puzzle to a profound question. Professor Avi Loeb explained that if future observations, like those from the James Webb Space Telescope, also confirm there isn't enough gas to explain the push, then scientists might have to look beyond natural explanations. And just when we thought it couldn't get weirder, new data added more mystery. According to a late-breaking report, instruments detected that 3II Atlas has a deep outer crust, somewhere between 50 and 65 feet thick. And here's the twist. The chemical composition of that outer layer is completely different from what's inside. The outside and the inside don't match. So scientists are asking, how did this crust form? One idea is that after traveling through the galaxy for billions of years, cosmic radiation could have bombarded its surface, transforming the original ices into a stable, tough outer shell. But here's where things get radical. Some researchers believe this altered surface is strong evidence that 3II Atlas is not a natural object. They point out that the outer surface seems to have a chemical composition that could fit with the idea of an industrial coating. Adding to this, scientists previously detected signs of nickel and cyanide being released, which could result from a chemical process involving a compound that's usually produced in industrial environments on Earth. This has opened up two huge possibilities. Either its surface was altered by natural cosmic processes, or maybe something unnatural happened to this object. So where does this leave us? Our window to solve this is closing. 3II Atlas is now heading back out into the interstellar void. Its closest approach to Earth will be on December 19, 2025, at a very safe distance of 167 million miles away. Telescopes are in a race against time to gather every photon of light they can. Adding even more fuel to the mystery, there's been silence about a clear image of 3II Atlas that was reportedly captured by NASA's Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter. That silence is only making people more curious. When you add it all together, the mysterious glow, the unexplained push, the missing tail, and the unusual surface, it's no wonder scientists are finding this object more suspicious and puzzling than ever before. 3II Atlas is a gift from the cosmos, a physical piece of another solar system delivered to our doorstep. But it's a gift that came with a riddle we can't yet solve. Is it a completely new type of natural object that will force us to rewrite our textbooks? Or is it something else entirely? For now, it remains one of the greatest, most active mysteries in our sky, a silent traveler that, for a brief moment, crossed our path and challenged everything we thought we knew. So after seeing all these strange details and unexplained behaviors, what do you think 3II Atlas actually is? Is it just a weird comet from another star system, or could it be something else entirely? Share your thoughts in the comments. That's all for today. Subscribe to stay on top of this incredible unfolding story. Have a great day, and thanks for watching.